Good morning, students. Welcome back. This is Aalok Guptaa at Kkhyatis EdTech LLP, your mathematics mentor and coach. An article is sold at loss. If it doubles the selling price, then the profit doubles. Profit now is 14.28% more than the loss incurred earlier. Find profit. So I'm doubling my selling price. So my profit also doubles. But in the new scenario, whatever is my profit, it is 14.28% more than the loss incurred earlier. So let us try to do one thing. So when I say 14.28%, I know it corresponds to 1 by 7. Correct? Now what they are saying, earlier there is a selling price SP1 and there is a selling price SP2. So here there is a loss and here there is a profit. And the difference between these two is it has doubled. Correct? And this profit is 1 by 7. The loss incurred earlier is 1 by 7. The profit now is 14.28 more than the loss incurred earlier. So if earlier my loss was 7, so if my loss here was 7, my profit here is 1 more, which means 7 plus 1, 8. So my profit here is 8. I've shown how to read these fractions. This is the earlier value, this is the increase or decrease value. The new value will be, if it is increased, 7 plus 1 or decrease 7 minus 1. I've explained this concept in my percentages videos. Go and look at the concepts there if you have to understand this kind of reading of fractions. Now the profit is 8, the loss is 7, and I'm being told the difference between these two is 8 minus 7, that is 15. Correct? And this 15 difference has happened because there is a difference between selling price 1 and selling price 2, which if my selling price was 1 here, the selling price is 2 here because I am doubling the selling price. But actually the difference shown here is how much? 1 only. So if the difference here is 1, I have to make the difference equal to the difference between profit and loss, which is double. So double ka value kitna hai? 8 minus 7, 15. So I will multiply this by 15. So this will become 15 and this will become 30. So my SP1 is 15 and my SP2 is 30. Now whatever has been given in the sum, I've corrected, which means the difference between profit and loss is 15 and the difference between SP1 and SP2 also is 15. Now find the profit percentage. So how can I find the profit percentage? Here, if my profit is 8, my selling price is 30, which means my CP would be 22. And my profit percentage would be profit upon CP into 100. So this will be 4 by 11. So 4 into 1 by 11 in terms of fraction. So I know 1 by 11 is 9.09% into 4. That is 36.36% is my profit. Understood or not? So what we are doing is the effect that has happened in the selling price and has happened because of the effect that has happened between the earlier loss and the profit. So we are going to make the difference same. Once we made the difference same, I don't really need the value in this sum because they asked me in percentages. So I can calculate based upon making the ratios same. Okay. Next. If SP becomes 3 times, then the profit becomes 4 times. Find initial profit percentage. So I am being told SP1 and SP2. So SP1 was 1, so SP2 became 3. Then profit 1 and profit 2. So profit 4 times ho gaya. So 1 became 4. Now obviously the difference between the selling prices should be equal to the difference between the profit बरोबर ना, बिकॉज वो दोनों का वजह से ही वो इफेक्ट आया है दोनों में. सो यहाँ तो डिफरेंस 2 है और यहाँ डिफरेंस 3 है. So what should I do? I should make both the difference same. So I'll multiply this ratio by 3 and this ratio by 2. So this ratio will now become 3 and 9. So the difference would be 6, and this ratio would be 2 and 8. So now the difference would be 6. So now whatever I have in the sum, sales price has become 3 times, profit has become 4 times. The difference between these two also have become same. Now I can calculate my initial profit percent. So for initial profit percentage, my selling price is 9. My profit is, initial selling price is 3. My profit is 2. So my cost should be 1. 3 minus 2. Which means if my cost is 1 and my profit is 2, my initial profit percent is 200%. Okay, understood? Profit upon cost into 100 is the profit percentage. If SP becomes 3 times, profit increases 500%. So 500% in terms of fraction is 5. So if my SP became from 1 to 3, my profit became from 1 to 5. Find the initial profit, right? So this is this scenario: SP1 profit 1, SP2 profit 2, right? Now because I made my selling price from 1 to 3, my profit became from 1 to 5, which means the difference of both again I'm going to make same. Here it is 2, here it is 4. So make the difference same. I'll multiply this by 2. So this will happen 2, it became 6, and from here it was, let us not change it because I just doubled the difference here. So यहाँ भी 4 का difference, यहाँ भी 4 का difference. So my earlier scenario, SP1 profit 1, SP2 profit 2 became this. So now my difference is same. So now initial profit I have to find out. My SP is 6, if my SP is 2, my profit is 1, which means my selling price should be 1. The cost price should be 1. So my cost price is 1. How much is my profit? Profit also is 1, which means I am having 100% profit. Answer is 100% profit. Okay. So students, like just for you guys, I am burning midnight oil and I am trying to segregate and make some concepts collections on profit and loss, and I have brought some 9-10 concepts here just for you. Just go through these videos, and if you have any difficulty in understanding anything, please WhatsApp me on the number, get in touch with me, or subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will get more and more motivated to bring such videos.